Welcome back to the ElectroProfessor. In today's episode, we will be diving into Unit I of our course on audio systems. Specifically, we will be exploring the basic characteristics of sound signals, including level and loudness, pitch, frequency response, fidelity, and linearity, as well as the concept of reverberation. So, whether you're a music enthusiast, a sound engineer, or just curious about the science of sound, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. The ElectroProfessor. Hello and welcome to the ElectroProfessor. I'm your host, the ElectroProfessor, and in this episode, we will be delving into the fascinating world of audio systems. Understanding the basic characteristics of sound signals is essential to grasp the fundamentals of audio engineering and acoustics. So, let's start with the first topic in Unit I, basic characteristics of sound signals. The ElectroProfessor. The level and loudness of a sound signal are important parameters that determine how loud or soft a sound is. The level of a sound signal is typically measured in decibels, dB, and indicates the amplitude or intensity of the sound wave. Loudness, on the other hand, is a subjective perception of the sound's volume, which can vary from person to person. The ElectroProfessor. Pitch refers to the perceived frequency of a sound wave, and it determines how high or low a sound is. Higher frequency sound waves are perceived as higher pitch, while lower frequency sound waves are perceived as lower pitch. Pitch is an important characteristic of sound that influences our perception of melody, harmony, and tonality in music. The ElectroProfessor. Frequency response is a measure of how well an audio system reproduces different frequencies of sound signals. It refers to the range of frequencies that an audio system can accurately reproduce without distortion or attenuation. Frequency response is a crucial factor in the performance and fidelity of audio systems, and it can impact the overall tonal balance and clarity of sound reproduction. Explanation on frequency response, frequency range, and its importance in audio system performance. The ElectroProfessor. Fidelity and linearity are important aspects of sound signal reproduction in audio systems. Fidelity refers to how accurately an audio system can reproduce the original sound signal without introducing distortion or coloration. Linearity, on the other hand, relates to how well an audio system maintains a linear relationship between the input and output signals, without introducing nonlinear distortions. Explanation on fidelity, linearity, and their importance in achieving accurate sound reproduction. The ElectroProfessor. Reverberation is a natural phenomenon that occurs when sound waves reflect off surfaces in an environment and create a series of delayed reflections. Reverberation plays a crucial role in our perception of sound in different spaces, such as concert halls, recording studios, and rooms, and it can greatly impact the overall sound quality and ambience of an audio recording or performance. The ElectroProfessor. And that's a wrap for Unit I on audio systems. We have covered the basic characteristics of sound signals, including level and loudness, pitch, frequency response, fidelity. The ElectroProfessor. If you found this episode on Unit I audio systems informative and interesting, make sure to subscribe to our channel, the ElectroProfessor. for more exciting content on audio engineering, acoustics, and other fascinating topics related to sound and music. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes where we will be diving deeper into the world of audio systems and uncovering the secrets behind great sound reproduction. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button now and join our community of audio enthusiasts.